Nature has a dark side that rivals any horror movie. Meet Ophiocordyceps, the fungus that turns caterpillars into mindless zombie puppets. In the deep forests, thousands of caterpillars go about their lives, unaware of the invisible threat lurking in the air. It starts with a single microscopic spore, a silent hunter looking for its next host. Once it lands, the invasion begins. The spore attaches itself firmly to the caterpillar's cuticle. Using specialized enzymes, the fungus dissolves the host's armor and creeps inside. But it doesn't just eat the host from the inside out. It begins a sophisticated biological takeover. The fungus releases chemicals that manipulate the caterpillar's nervous system, taking control of its body. The caterpillar's natural instincts are overwritten. It is no longer in control of its own limbs. It has become a puppet, driven by the needs of the parasite growing within. In a phenomenon known as summit disease, the fungus forces the caterpillar to climb. It abandons the safety of the lower leaves, driven toward the highest point it can reach. The fungus needs a high vantage point to ensure its next generation has the widest possible reach. At the peak, the fungus triggers a final command. The caterpillar bites down with a death grip. With the host secured in place, the caterpillar dies. But for the fungus, the work is just beginning. The fungus now consumes the remaining internal tissues, turning the caterpillar's body into a rigid shell. Nutrients are funneled toward the head, where a grotesque new structure begins to form. Pressure builds until finally a fungal stalk, the stroma, bursts directly through the head. It grows steadily, a macabre monument to the parasite's triumph. At its tip, the fungus develops its reproductive organs, ready to launch its spores. When conditions are perfect, the fungus releases a shower of millions of new spores. High above the forest floor, the spores are carried by the wind, raining death on the caterpillars below. The cycle begins anew as the next generation of hosts is unknowingly infected. This caterpillar specialist is a close relative of the famous ant-zombifying fungi. Each species of fungus has evolved to target and control a specific host with terrifying precision. Scientists study these interactions to understand the complex chemical warfare between species. While horrific, these fungi play a vital role in the ecosystem, keeping insect populations in check. There is a macabre beauty in these structures, a testament to the strange paths evolution can take. It is a reminder of the relentless ingenuity of life and the dark wonders of the natural world. Next time you're in the woods, look closely at the leaves above. You might just spot a zombie puppet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into nature's strangest stories.